Ever heard the phrase, "It's not what you know, it's who you know"? That might sound unfair, but it actually ties into a key sociological idea called social capital. The first person who used the term social capital was the pedagogue Lyda Judson Hannafan in 1916, who described it as the elements of everyday life, such as goodwill, friendliness, mutual sympathy, and the breadth of social contacts. There are three types of capital: economic capital, which is your money; cultural capital, which is your skills and education; social capital, which is your relationships. Social capital is the value of your social networks, the people you know, the trust you share, and the help you can get from being part of a group. Sociologists like Pierre Bourdieu, James Coleman, and Robert Putnam all explored social capital in different ways. Bourdieu saw it as power. If you're connected to powerful people, you gain advantages others don't have. Coleman focused on how social capital helps young people, like when parents and teachers work together. Putnam warned that we're losing social capital in modern society. Let me give you some examples. When neighbors know each other, trust each other, and work together, crime goes down. That's social capital in action. Or, ever heard about a job through a friend of a friend? That's bridging social capital weaker connections that open new opportunities. How about religious groups who provide emotional support, networks, and resources, or online communities? So what happens when there is low social capital? Well, when people don't trust each other, don't interact, or don't feel part of a community, social capital breaks down. In his famous book Bowling Alone, Putnam argued that people used to bowl in leagues. Now they bowl alone. We've become more isolated. Can we build social capital? Absolutely we can. You can start by joining local clubs, volunteer, be active in your school or community, attend religious ceremonies, say hi to your neighbors. Trust grows where connections are built. To sum it up, social capital is about networks and trust. It can bring job offers, safety, emotional support, or its absence can cause isolation. It's just as important as money or education, maybe even more. Did you enjoy this video? Then follow along for more Sociology made simple in Doodle lecture style, and subscribe. Also, please like and share with fellow curious minds. And if you want me to cover anything particular in my future videos, then please leave a comment. See you next time.